Hi dear Capricorn, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a general love reading for all the Capricorn, Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from 6th till the 12th of April 2026. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Please keep that in mind. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box or find the links below. And for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. What's wrong with my lip? Oh, it's fine. Okay. Please don't try to forcibly put yourself into the reading, honey. Hmm? Let's see. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you. Cappies. Your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. We have the Empress. So someone sees you in a very positive light. This person feels like you are growing, you are doing your own thing, you have the potential to have growth and expansion in actually every area of your life. So someone sees you in a very positive light, and they feel like you have a lot of uh, you know energy to grow and expand into a really beautiful and meaningful kind of connection between you and them. My goodness, let's clarify the Empress as their feelings. They see you in a very nurturing, caring, and loving kind of a light. That's the deal, right? Like you are that kind of person for them. Let's see. We have the Page of Pentacles, the Strength card, the Four of Pentacles. This is someone who feels like coming forward towards you, but they are holding back. Not even they are holding back, not even just holding back. They feel like holding on to this thought that they should come forward towards you at some point of time for the rest of their life. Okay, so this is someone who sees you in a very positive light, like you are a really good person, you are caring, you are loving, you are nurturing, and you guys can have a really great future. They're holding on to this thought for dear life. This is the closest thing to, like this is the closest thing to their heart, but they feel like they should hold back this urge or desire to even say hi to you, because it might ruin their dream, their la la land energy. Okay, so somebody is feeling like they should live in that delusion, but they should not do anything about it. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? The Justice. From your side, you feel like being in a very rational and balanced kind of energy, so that things are going to be fair. You feel like keeping things fair and balanced in a particular dynamics, the way it should be, okay, without any kind of emotional drama or mental chaos. Okay, let's clarify the Justice here. We have the Knight of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the Justice again. You feel like you should not take any kind of initiative, or you should not go in a particular direction until unless things are going to be super clear between you and a particular person or energy. The Justice here twice represents this thought, this feeling that even if there is love, even if there are feelings, you feel like operating in on and off, in and out, or full of confusion kind of energy is not a good idea, or mixed emotions or mixed thoughts. Somebody might be giving you mixed signals, and or you are feeling mixed kind of energies towards something or someone. That's why you feel like you should not operate in these kind of energies until unless everything is crystal clear to you. Okay, you should not do anything about a situation. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Give me one second. Yes, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Knight of Cups. This person wants to come forward towards you with some kind of offer, maybe some kind of message, communication, or apology. Something, if something happened between you guys, then only, right? But they want to come towards you with genuine feelings. They want to express their feelings to you and tell you everything that they think about you, that they feel about you, in a very, very positive way. Not necessarily a romantic love expression kind of feeling, but genuine liking towards you. Okay, let's clarify the Knight of Cups as their intentions. We have the Hierophant, the Ten of Swords, and the Six of Swords, right? You know, this person wants to express their feelings to you in a genuine way, and then they want to move on towards calmer water in their life because they're coming out of a marriage or a commitment. Something ended in their life and it created a very big void in their life, and they don't want to repeat the same kind of cycle ever again in this lifetime. Maybe you guys were married to each other or committed to each other and things didn't work out. Okay, so they still have feelings for you. If that's the case, they still care for you, they still want to be with you, but they don't want to take the risk of creating the same kind of scenario again. That's why this person wants to express their feelings to you in a genuine way, and then they want to move forward towards calmer water in their life. If this is your story, for some of you, this person might be coming out of a very bad marriage, very bad relationship, and that created a really, really big void in their heart and soul. And now they just want to express their feelings to you and be at peace in their life. They don't want anything else to do with the situation between you and them. Take it how it resonates with you according to your energies and story. Don't try to fit yourself into this if it is not resonating, honey. Hmm. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Cappies? Ten of Cups. From your side, you want something that's going to make you feel like a family kind of a dynamic. That's going to make you feel like whenever you are going to come back to home, it's going to make you feel like home. So you want somebody by your side who is going to make you feel like home, right? Safe, secure, beautiful, kind-hearted, and nurturing energies. Let's clarify the Ten of Cups as your intentions for this particular person or situation. So we have the Two of Wands and the Ace of Cups and the Queen of Swords. Right. You just want to wait for the person or the energy that's going to fit in your vision of happiness. Until unless you are going to be very, very sure about a particular person or situation, or you are going to find the type of person that you want, you don't want to open up to anything or anyone. You just want to keep your things to yourself, keep your energies to yourself, and you just want to wait for the right person, the right kind of energy, so that you guys can share the same vision with each other and create a really beautiful and meaningful life together, right? Let's see what could be the possible outcome here for you guys till the 12th of April 2026. So we have the King of Cups, a lot of emotional contentment and emotional happiness that's kept inside, not expressed or not revealed too much. Let's clarify the King of Cups as a potential outcome for you guys, Cappies. Mhm. So we have the Two of Swords, Eight of Wands, and the Four of Swords. You guys are not going to be sure about some kind of communication that you should be doing with someone, so that things are going to be sorted, things are going to be peaceful between you guys. Instead of talking to somebody that you really, really want to talk to somebody to talk to, like communication, back and forth communication, maybe meeting face to face, instead of doing that, you guys are isolating yourself or detaching yourself from the idea of going in a particular direction. And or even if somebody feels like coming forward towards you, you are giving them those vibes or those energies of, right now I'm not ready, right now I don't want to talk, maybe come back later on, right now is not the right time for us to talk or for us to do anything about the situation. Right now I'm just trying to regulate my own emotions and being happy in my own life, being content and peaceful in my own life, right? So I do see you being content and peaceful in your life and doing your own thing. But even if somebody will try to connect or say something to you, you guys are not going to open up too much. And or even if you guys are going to feel like talking to somebody, communicating with somebody, because of lack of clarity, you guys are going to be like, nope, not a good idea. I might do it, but later on, right? Let's see the guidance here, Cappies. So we have the Moon card, the Queen of Cups, and the Two of Cups. Hmm. This can be a missed opportunity between you guys if none of you is going to overcome your mysterious and secretive kind of behavior and express your feelings to the other person here. If none of you is going to open up thinking like, maybe the other person doesn't want it, maybe the other person don't love me, maybe they don't care, maybe they want to me as a friend only, or this or that, this situation between you and this person has a potential to become really beautiful soulmate kind of a dynamic. But both of you are living in some kind of illusion or delusion, some kind of fears or insecurities, or some kind of secretive or mysterious energies. I don't know what kind of secret or mysterious energies you guys are trying to create here. This can easily be converted into a missed opportunity if none of you is going to speak up and express their feelings. And I don't know if the other person is going to reject or select, but at least you guys should try properly and honestly, okay, regarding this situation. Hmm. Otherwise this can be one of those situations where one, like after 5 years or 6 years, you guys are going to be like, okay, there was a person, I liked him or her, they liked me, but we never said anything to each other and things went in the gutter. So if you really feel for someone and if you feel like you should go ahead and talk to them, do that, Capricorn. It's going to do two things: either you are going to be with this person, you guys are going to start a good bond, or you guys are going to be free. Don't let your ego come in between your emotions when they're genuine and they're making you feel like, okay, this can be something good. Hmm? Think about it. Cool. So let me answer one of your questions related to this particular situation of your life. This portion also might or might not resonate, Capricorn. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry too much about it. Just leave it behind. If you're not going to get a clear cut yes or no, you can take the message as you can take the answer as guidance for that situation. And what else? I'm going to give you 10 to 15 seconds to get the answer. If that's not enough for you, you can pause the video and unpause whenever you feel like. So let's start. You can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise, and your time starts now. So the answer to your question is yes. It's a clear cut yes. Good. So thank you so much for tuning in, Capricorn. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.